How you doing, young man? All right, look this way. Give me a big smile. Look this way. All right, let me go ahead and get you buckled in. What's your name? Where are you from, Harv? Where are you from?
Fairhope, Alabama.
All right, welcome. Danny, he's going to be giving you a ride today.
How you doing? How are you? Just right.
We'll go ahead and get you nice and tight.
Okay.
All right, you have fun. You good?
Yeah.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Chains are gone, and I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me, and like a flood, His mercy rains, unending love, amazing grace.
just like going to Walmart, wasn't it? Well, thank you very much for coming out.
Just getting my horse at the time.
Okay.
I was 95 last Sunday.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.